Hello from sunny New York. It's a beautiful day outside. I am doing a pre-flight yoga because I fly out tomorrow, and one of my favorite things to do is to go do a hot yoga class before a flight and just get it all out, you know? That way I can just drink a ton of water and kind of just replenish, refuel. Kind of helps with jet lag in my opinion. Hopefully it actually does. Gonna go do some hot yoga at Y7. And yeah. But that was awesome. By the way, look how beautiful it is. So before I fly anywhere, I always do some masks. I do a peel and I do hydration. This is like your quick little facial. This is my peel mask. The inside looks so ridiculous. It's like little tiny beads. So gross. You literally look like the Grinch after you put this on. I'm about to look like the Grinch. Scoop on your fingers and you mush it around. I love this peel on my skin. It doesn't feel too rough. It leaves my skin super smooth afterward, and it's never once made me break out, knock on wood, but it's really great. It's good to use on your lips too for a peel because it gets all that dead skin off, which is awesome. Leaves your lips looking super voluptuous. I may not have the muscles that Hulk has, but got the skin. Next up is hydration. So this is my hydration mask. I use the Peter Thomas Roth one. Awesome. This hydration mask goes on so smoothly, and honestly, it can stay on my skin for a while. It doesn't go too sticky or anything like that. It doesn't burn. It feels great. It smells good. It doesn't give like a weird smell. And it just honestly feels amazing once I take it off. Like, I feel like my face has hydration, locked in and ready to go for my... The last rinse is always cold water, and then I pat my face dry. I never wipe it because I don't want to scratch it or anything like that. It's very delicate after it's been masked. Cold water closes all the pores and leaves everything looking fresh and beautiful. Before bed, I always use that. It's a toner I love to use on my face. You only need a couple drops and it goes on super smooth, and it just leaves your skin feeling light. It doesn't even feel like you put anything on. My favorite night cream is One square. I love this night cream. It was given to me by a friend, and I honestly just have never found anything this like amazing for my skin. And it's not too greasy. It's perfect. I always lather on Aquaphor on my lips before bed because I wake up with them extremely hydrated, and it's just like super voluptuous. I can't pull close. This is a buxom lip plumper. I love using this under my Aquaphor. It gives me those nice big lips that I love. This is my L'Oreal Paris Lumi. I love to put this on the corners of my eyes to make them a little bit glowy. This I use for foundation. It's by me. It leaves your skin super nice. This is my contour brush by Stila. I love this because it gets right in those edges and right on the corners that you need. This is the perfect brush for when I want to use an eye powder as an eyeliner. When I need a little extra smearing, I use this brush. It's amazing and gets in all those little spots. This is my highlighter palette. I love it because it's every color you need to make the perfect contour. I use this smoky palette as actually an eyeliner more than an eyeshadow, but I like to smear it in. I always get a fresh manicure, but just in case my nails do get messed up, I use this as a nail hardener. It's great. I love this non-acetone nail polish remover, and it's easy to carry with you, and it doesn't have a lot of liquid to fly with. I love this bronze because it gives me such a nice glow on my eye. I love this mascara because it makes it look so natural, or you can put extra on and make it look like you're going out for the night. And then there's my nasal spray that I have to take with me on planes because I get so congested. Honestly, the shampoo and conditioner was just easy to find and actually treats my hair really nicely for when I travel. This is my life right now. 7 pairs of shoes too much? Now I'm ready for my flight tomorrow.